Good morning, afternoon. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is finally out. So I think Lucy and I are going to go for a walk. We've been stuck in the house way too long. So I'm going to take you along just for a little bit, let you kind of see what I see around here. All right, here we go. All right, Lucy is ready. You ready to go for a walk? All right, we're going to take a little stroll. Yeah, Lucy doesn't wait for me. She usually just goes. Don't you, girl? Alright, now we're starting to get into a little bit more of the pretty area. And Tommy has decided that he was going to follow us. Probably not a best idea. And there's Milo as well. The house is back there. Now we're kind of getting to the wooded area. We've got a beautiful walkway through here. So let's walk through a little bit. You gonna come with us, Tommy? Alright, let's go wander, see what we can find. Alright, let's record some video poker. I apologize for the glare here. Superstar Poker. I'm on the Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Sea still. I'm gonna play some bonus poker, 3-line, just 3-line without the super times pay. And yeah, before you yell at me, it's 6-5 bonus poker. I know that sucks terribly, but this is a cruise ship and there's not much else. I've been playing though and hit some aces and some other things, so you know, it lets me play for a while, but yes, it's a sucky pay table, but what are you gonna do? All right. Maybe hit something good. Alright, 2 pair. Let's see if we can convert some full houses. Nope. And again, I know bonus poker sometimes isn't super exciting, but I play it when my money's getting low and it lets me play for a while, and then if I'm doing well, then I'll switch over to double-double for a while. So we may try that. We'll see. I don't like the way the top of this screen is cut off, though. You can't really see. I guess it'll just do. The other ones have an even worse glare, so I don't want to try to move. Okay, some 3s. Still have never had a Del Royale, and that would be wonderful. But, you know, you can always hope and wish, but we know how that goes. There's a little something. Let's see, I started with $70. If I get up to 100, I'll switch over to some double-double. I know it's a little more exciting. And again, here on the cruise, even the pay table for that is not great. So it's, you know. But when I get tired of slots, I play this for, there's a full house. All right. Something. And I'm trying to keep the glare out, but It's not working. Come on, something. Nice. Oh, gee whiz. Alright, pair of eights. Come on. Pair. Alright, come on, let's convert. At least one, please. And no. No. And there's a couple aces. And no. Oh, come on. Okay, this isn't doing it. You know what? I'm at what am I at? 63. I'm gonna put another 100 in. I might play some 5-line double just to try and mix it up for a little bit. All right, I'm gonna put. Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, here's a pretty hand. Very nice. We will take that. So we've made it all the way to the creek. Cannot believe that Tommy followed us all this way. He's not really much of an adventurer. All right. As you can probably imagine, this is a lot prettier in the spring when everything's blooming, or in the fall when all the colors are out. And looks like the creek is really flowing right now. We've had a lot of rain. Not that much snow this year. More rain, but still beautiful. I'm not going to get too close because with all the rain it's really slick here, and I don't really want to end up in the creek. I'm guessing it's pretty chilly. So pretty. Lucy thinks so too. Lucy, what do you find over there, huh? Be careful. All right. This is as far as I'm going today, so I'm going to head back. I'm going to turn you guys off and make my way back to the house. But if you followed me all this way, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. And please remember, if you're here and you've watched all this, please hit that subscribe button, because it really, really helps me so much. I'm on the road to 1,000. I'm getting closer every day, and it would be awesome to make it. So thanks everyone for watching. Take care. Stay safe.